So Schema Therapy for chronic mood and anxiety disorders. This is really the introductory workshop where we explore the model. We help people understand what schemas are, what modes are, how to assess those schemas and modes in the room, how to take a history and do imagery for assessment. So all the introductory skills that people need when they're starting Schema Therapy, but also with a particular focus on the more chronic presentations that people can present with. So chronic depression, chronic anxiety, comorbid anxiety and depression. So any of those presentations with really persisting and treatment-resistant presentations.
Absolutely, and this is where Schema Therapy really came from these type of presentations that Jeff Young classified as treatment resistant. And these are probably the ones that people are most likely to come across in private practice. And so it's a really lovely way to be introduced to the model because most of us are going to have somebody with chronic anxiety or chronic depression that is not responding to CBT and some of the other strategies, and an opportunity to conceptualize their presentation in Schema Therapy terms. And what are some of the basic, actually the 4 clinical interventions that are common to Schema Therapy and how to use them with this clinical population?
Yeah, we give you lots of opportunity to model, to see demonstrated the interventions and then practice them, so we really want people to have some skills in trying things out, asking questions and trying to understand the complexity, because I think when we're working with these clients, there's a lot of hopelessness in the room, a lot of distress. And so we particularly are targeting those kind of ongoing schema activation presentations.
And we also look at some of those kind of underlying schemas that result in the chronicity of these actual disorders, according to the literature, what we've found that stay dormant, that kind of keep chronic anxiety type of presentations or chronic depression maintained.
So we hope you enjoy the workshop and that you get an opportunity to be introduced to Schema Therapy.